Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the EUHOMY IM013 Nugget Ice Maker, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the EUHOMY IM013 Nugget Ice Maker, a basket, a scoop, and handle, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to use. Plug in the power supply and ensure there is a 6-inch space around the Nugget Ice Maker. Fill the water tank with potable, filtered, purified, or bottled water, then place the ice basket back in position. Press the IC Clean button once in standby mode to start ice making. The ring light will turn white during operation. When the ice bucket is full, the indicator light will appear, and removing some ice will allow the machine to continue making ice. To stop ice making, press the IC Clean button again. Since the machine is not insulated, transfer ice to a freezer or refrigerator if it will not be used immediately. How to descale. To start the automatic cleaning and descaling process, plug in the machine and press and hold the IC Clean button for 3 seconds. The 15-minute self-cleaning cycle will begin, and the white light will flash during the process. After cleaning is complete, unplug the machine, drain the water completely, and reinsert the drain plug before refilling the tank. To stop the cleaning cycle manually, press the IC Clean button again. Regular cleaning helps remove mineral buildup and maintains proper ice-making performance. Smart features? Produces soft, chewable nugget ice quickly, with the first batch ready in just minutes. It can make a large amount of ice throughout the day, keeping drinks cold and refreshed. Creates soft, crunchy, nugget-style ice that is easy to chew and slow to melt. Ideal for enhancing the taste and texture of beverages, smoothies, and cold drinks. Features a convenient one-touch cleaning cycle that helps remove internal residue and mineral buildup. The automatic cleaning process keeps the ice maker hygienic, improves performance, and makes routine maintenance easier. The simple control panel allows you to start ice making or activate the cleaning function with a single button press. Clear indicator lights provide easy status updates for water levels, ice capacity, and operating modes. Designed with a space-saving structure that fits easily on kitchen counters, office desks, and other small areas, its portable design provides convenient access to fresh nugget ice without taking up much space. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your EUHOMY IM013 Nugget Ice Maker. See you in the next one.